Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. My wife Sarah and I were just sent this lovely pull-up exercise bar because we have decided we're going to go ahead and make a fitness room within our home, and this was going to be a great addition, so thank you guys for sending that. Came packaged extremely well, had some wonderful wrapping across everything. We've already taken it all out of the box. All of the hardware came easily labeled and put in a nice case that was here for the hardware, nice instruction guide, and then all of this powder coated like tube iron that is used to put together feels very well built, and it seems like a very good quality, so I'm really excited to get this thing put together so we can show you how it works.
We have been putting this together and I am impressed with the quality that all this is. This seems to be really well built. It's included all of the tools you need, very clear instructions, and it's just coming right together. I'm excited to try it out. All right, we've got the bar all put together. This has got so many different workout possibilities, from pull-ups to doing your crunches to arms. I mean, everything. And it's all adjustable. This can go in and out. This can go up and down. You can do your skinny ones or you're pulling out further. But this is all nice and padded with a 10-degree tilt on there. So that way you kind of go in and you're not slipping off. But you can easily put up and then just curl in. And it really does work your abs. Works your hip flexors, your legs. It is awesome. So you can use it like this, and just pull up and down, and it just works so many different kind of muscles. I'm gonna let my husband show you a few of the other ways to be able to use this pull-up bar.
It's got these handles down here below that you can use to do your elevated push-ups, so you can grab a hold of that and do your standard push-ups like this and go all the way down. That'll work a little more of your back muscles along with your arms and your triceps both. You can also use the bar up above as the primary function, like they said, to do pull-ups. So you can do pull-ups like this, you can do a pull-up like that, or you can use this outside edge to do the wider grip pull-up that'll work a lot of your back. You also have the ability to do your dips, so you can get up here like this, and you can dip down like this. I'm going to go ahead and get my daughter down here. We're going to show you how we can actually even adjust this down to where she can use it, and then let her do some pull-ups for you.
All right, so we have this down low, and our daughter's gonna show you how to do the pull-up bar.
So there's a narrow pull-up.
So this can hold up to 450 pounds. It is made really well. It's got nice grips on all of the areas to be able to hold on to. Your nice padding on your back and on your arms. This is a great machine and a great addition to any workout room.